How's it going, guys? It's me, Dirk here, just testing on my little radio that I just well, I'm kind of just testing it out right now. Still got a few more things to do to it, but yeah, I was downstairs in the basement talking with Sparky and not really getting much on here, so I figured, okay, I'll come upstairs and I'll try it on the long wire antenna that's outside, and yeah, it's a lot better now. No idea what this is. I'm on the AM band part. Yeah, pretty interesting. I think I'm gonna move this coil further back, but not bad though. Pretty stable. It's all in copper clad, and I just have a feeling that the coil's a little too close to the this piece of copper clad, so I want to move it further in the back. That's why some of the a lot of the wires are kind of just willy-nilly right now. But yeah, as I said, it's all testing. I'll eventually put a side panel on here for the 9 volts, and some things in the back here as well. But yeah, as long as they don't touch the coil, I mean, it's pretty stable in the AM. I haven't tested it yet on the 5 meter, 5 meter band, which is all the amateur stuff, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, it's not bad. I think it looks pretty smart. Quite like it. So this is a FET base radio from Charles' Kitchen. I had my prototype, and this is my nicer looking one now. Took a lot of time to do it. Oh, there goes my signal. It's starting to go. But anyway, you got your main tune, your fine tune. This is your regen control. This is a low pass filter to switch in between. I wish it would come back. Come on. So I can show you guys what it's like. Kind of like, on your other standard, radios, from the 50s, 60s, and whatnot. That's supposed to be for, I think when it's off, it's for AM and then sideband. And if you want to listen to Morse code, you flip it up to be able to hear that. But you can hear the tone difference. And it's just a capacitor that's doing that. Standard with a standard tone control on a old style radio. And then this is the band switch that's up here. This is your antenna input. Works quite well. And then this is the volume and on and off. You turn it off. One of those old school, large, like 230 volt 1 amp on-off potentiometers for radio as well. This is okay. This is from China. So this is probably China Republic International. And they're just it's a bit late to be speaking English. Like as I said, between I think either 8 and 10 or 9 and 11 is when they speak English. So I'm past that. I'm not quite sure what language they're speaking now. But yeah, but this is definitely China Republic International. Too much regen. But yeah, pretty sweet. I like these radios from Charles' Kitchen. They work fantastic. If you wanted to build something like this, I would probably suggest this. And then, down there I got my my Scout Regen. That's pretty good. I quite like this one because you can pick up everything. You got AM, single sideband, and constant wave, which is your Morris. So yeah, pretty cool. I like it. Big thumbs up here. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.